Verifying your age on Google ensures you have full access to all account features. Follow these simple steps to update your birthday and complete the verification process. First of all, open the Google Chrome on your device. Then log in your account. Then click the profile icon and tap Manage and Google Account. After that, click on Personal Info. Then scroll down to Birthday. If the date is incorrect, you can edit it there. However, if your account is flagged as underage, Google may require ID verification. In that case, you will need to upload a valid government-issued ID or use a credit card to prove that you are above the required age limit. Once your information is verified, your account will be restored with full access. I have been a user of Google and YouTube for a long time, but their age verification is concerning because it involves sharing your email with third-party partners to track your history across other sites. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical reviews.